In this video, we will show you how to factory reset the iPad without passcode. Solution 1. Use Find My iPad. Step 1. Visit the iCloud website and go to the Find My iPad part. Step 2. Tap all devices and then choose the device that you want to reset. Step 3. You will see several options associated with your iPad. Tap Erase iPad. This will factory reset your iPad without a password. Solution 2. Use iTunes. Step 1. Make sure your iTunes version is updated. Open iTunes and connect your USB cable to the iPad. Leave the other terminal unplugged. Step 2. Hold the home key of the iPad and link it to the computer. Keep holding the home button as you connect the iPad to the Mac or PC. An iTunes logo will soon appear on your screen. Step 3. After you have connected your iPad, iTunes will recognize it automatically. Click the Restore iPad option to reset the device. Solution 3. Use iOS Unlock. Step 1. Launch the software on a PC and click Screen Unlock from the Tools menu. Then connect the iPad to the PC with a USB cable. On the software program, select Unlock iOS screen. Step 2. Before you bypass the lock screen of your iPhone, you need to boot it into DFU or recovery mode. Step 3. The program will display your device info, including the system version and device model. If this info isn't right, you can click Correct Information on the drop-down list. Next, click the Start icon to go on. Step 4. Once you have successfully downloaded the firmware, tap Unlock Now. It will start unlocking the iPad. In just a few seconds, the iOS device will be reset successfully. Note that this process is going to delete all your data on the device. Honestly, you cannot bypass iPad lock screen security without loss of data. Backup iPad data before factory resetting it.